Short press the red button to enter emergency recording mode.
Short press the blue button to switch between images from different cameras. Short press OK button to pause recording. Short press the down button to choose video playback mode. Press OK button to enter. You can short press the down button to find the video you want. Long press the menu button to switch video files saved by different cameras. Press the menu button to return to the menu page. Short press down button to choose setting mode. Press OK button to enter. Short press the down button to select the corresponding function to set, with multiple function settings available. Long press the menu button to return to the menu page. Short press the down button to choose language selection mode. Multiple languages available. Press the down button to switch between camera screens. Search for Wi-Fi camera on Google Play or App Store to download and install it. Enter the Wi-Fi setting interface of the phone. Find the corresponding Wi-Fi name starting with Motad or Visto. Enter the number to connect to Wi-Fi. Then open the app, click Enter Recorder. You can see the real-time image. Click the button in the upper right corner to switch between the image of different cameras. When the phone is connected to Wi-Fi, the wired controller cannot be operated. Click on LAN to view the files in the memory card. Click the button in the upper left corner to switch between the video files of front and rear camera. Click the Edit button in the upper right corner to delete or download the video files. After downloading the video, you can go to the local page to play it or edit a video within 30 seconds to share. The settings page can set the loop video time, sound record, GST, reset camera, and other functions.